Afternoon guys, it's Lee from Source Sounds with another of our videos for the KENWOOD new DMX8021DABS that we fitted into this 2014 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. So if you just go to unit, so we'll just turn that on for you. See, we've got a nice little Subaru logo there just for the customer. Now this unit is the latest of the KENWOOD range, which gives you FM radio, DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming. It has a USB-C connection, although it does come with an adapter to give you a standard USB. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and this will actually give you wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So we just select CarPlay. So you see there straight away, we've got nothing plugged in to the USB socket. So there's your USB-C. And there's the little adapter that comes with it, which then gives you a normal USB cable for some of the older phones. On this vehicle, we've also returned steering controls. So you can see there, if I do volume up, you can see the volume changing. So if we go back to the KENWOOD screen, so Bluetooth, like I said, Bluetooth streaming, and then you've got your wireless connections. Thank you for watching. Any more information, please give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much.